Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today is December 9, 2021, and we have an awesome drop today, which is the box logo sweatshirt and also the box logo beanie. So right now it's about 2:42 p.m. New York City time. So I'm just gonna go skip all these items and just go directly to box logo. So this is the box logo hooded sweatshirt, and it is retail for $168. And let's go and check it out. You cannot go wrong with the box logo drop. This is your flat drawstring for the hood. And on the top of the hood, it has an embroidery, shows 2021. There's your pouch pocket. And this is zoom in. So this is a heavyweight cotton cross-grain fleece with the rib gussets and pouch pocket. Embroidery logo on chest. And embroidery graphic on hood. So you got the plum color. This one's the olive Russian camel. So look like a digit camel color. And this one's the light mustard color. Wait a minute. How come on the plum, the 2021 is on the edge of the hood or toward the edge? And so is this olive green. But somehow this mustard color is right in the mid section of the hood. And this one is the pink color. Go and check it out. So it's right by the edge of the hood. I'm not sure if the mustard showing wrong or. And somehow with the washed it navy, there's no 2021. And this one is the charcoal color. It's a 2021 there. Nice red box logo. And this one's the black color. White color. And then finally you got the dark brown color. So yeah, I copped this one, the charcoal color. So when I try to click on the add to cart, there's like a circle. You will need to trace it in order to allow you to add to cart. Or if you don't do it correctly, that's what happened when I tried to do the beanie, and somehow it did not add it to my cart. So let's go and then scroll down and check out the beanie. So this one's the new era box logo beanie. This one's the charcoal color. Aquated cuffed beanie with embroideries on cuff. So on the front hit, you have the red box logo. And then on the side panel on the left side, You got the New Era embroidery on there. And then on the back, you got the world famous in the midsection. And this one is the white color. Got the black, dark brown, plum color, washed it navy, light mustard, and olive Russian camel. Yeah, so I added hooded sweatshirt, and then I check out. But unfortunately, when you check it out, it takes a very long time to check out. I'm not sure why. So I had to come back and then click on charcoal gray, open a new browser, and when I check out, it was taking a while too. I thought I was going to miss out on the box logo beanie, but lucky I got both items. So yeah, be sure to like the video and drop any comments on below to see if you guys cop anything with the box logo. And be sure to watch out for the upcoming unboxing for the hooded sweatshirt and this New Era box logo beanie. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.